Hello friends, here I have created an app in which I have two text views at the top, and when I click on show text here it displays text view. When I click on show list here it displays a list view. So I'll show you how to create this in Sketchware. So this is the Sketchware project in which there is a linear horizontal at the top which contains text view 2 and text view 3. For both these text view I have set weight to 1. Weight of this and weight of these two is 1. Now for this text view I will set gravity to center horizontal, and for this text view also I will set gravity to center horizontal. After that, when I click on text view 2, I will change the color of text view 2 to white. That I will set the text color to white, and I will set background color to magenta, and I will make list view 1 visible and text view 1 gone. Similarly, when I click on text view 3, I will change its color, text color to white, background color to magenta, and text view 1 will be visible and list view 1 will be gone. So for selecting and deselecting, I have created these more blocks, select more block and deselect more block. For the text view 1, I have set text to this text in onCreate, and for list view 1, I have added data to a string list called new list. I have added all this data and I display this string list in list view 1 using set list view data block. Now let's have a look at the select and deselect more blocks. The select block has a variable, text view variable. The name of this is text view, which can be written as underscore text view in codes. So here I define a gradient drawable. In Sketchware we write gradient drawable as android.graphics.drawable.gradient drawable. This is defined by writing equal to new gradient drawable, and name of this gradient drawable is GD. This is name of this gradient drawable. So for this gradient drawable GD, I set the color to color.magenta, and I set stroke to 1 and stroke color to color.dk gray, writing dot set stroke 1 comma color.dk gray, which is dark gray. After this, if text view is equal to text view 2, means if this text view is equal to text view 2, then I define a float array called radii equal to 60 60 then 0 0 0 0 60 60. This means this is the left upper radius, left upper corner, which is 60 and 60, then the right upper corner 0 0, right lower corner 0 0, and left lower corner 60 60. So if text view 2 is selected, the corner radii will be, for left side it will be rounded and right side it will not be rounded, and I set the corner radii of this gradient drawable to this radii, gd dot set corner radii, and when text view equal to text view 2, I make list view 1 visible, this list view 1 visible, and I make text view 1 gone. After that there is the closing curly bracket, then else, then another opening curly bracket. This means when text view is not equal to text view 3, that means it will be equal to text view 3. So in that case I define float array radii equal to, the left corner is 0 0 here, the right upper corner 60 60, right lower corner 60 60, and left lower corner 0 0, and this is set as corner radii, gd dot set corner radii, and inside this only I make list view 1 gone, and I make text view 1 visible, and then I close this if else code. After that I set this gradient drawable GD as the background of this text view by writing underscore text view dot set background GD. and I set the text color of this text view to white. So all this to be done in select text view block, and this is used in onCreate. In onCreate I select text view 2 and deselect text view 3. So let's have a look at this deselect block. Here also I have defined a gradient drawable GD by writing equal to new gradient drawable, and for this gradient drawable I set the color to color.white, and I set stroke to 1 with color.decay gray, dark gray color. Then if text view is equal to text view 2, this means we have to deselect text view 2. So here also its corner radii will be same. So here I define a float array radii is equal to 60 60 for left upper corner, then 0 0 for right corners, and 60 60 for left lower corner, and that is set as corner radii of GD. GD dot set corner radii, this float array radii. Else if text view is not equal to text view 2, means it will be equal to text view 3, then I define float radii is equal to 0 0 60 60 60 60 comma 0 0. This means the right corners will be rounded, and this is set as corner radii of GD. And for the text view I set the text color to black, and for the text view I set the background color to this gradient drawable GD. Now I use this in onCreate, select text view 2, deselect text view 3. When text view 2 is clicked, select text view 2 and deselect text view 3, and when text view 3 is clicked, select text view 3, deselect text view 2, and that's all. The result is this. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.